Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Riz English Channel, your friendly space to learn English step by step in a fun and easy way. I'm your host, Riz.
And I'm Zoe. Hi, everyone. It's so nice to be back again.
Ah, yes, Zoe. Always great to have you here. How are you today?
I'm good, thank you. I had a busy morning, though. My friend just came back from the airport, and wow, her flight was delayed for hours.
Oh, no, that's never fun. But hey, airport, that's a great topic for today's episode.
Yes, perfect.
So, friends listening, today we're going to talk about English at the airport. Very useful English you can use when you travel.
Yes, like how to talk to people at the check-in counter, at security, or when you're finding your gate.
Exactly. So, if you're planning to travel soon or just want to sound confident at the airport, this episode is for you.
Let's fly into English.
Nice one, Zoe. Let's fly into it. Okay, let's start at the beginning. You arrive at the airport. What's the first thing you do?
Check-in?
Yes, you go to the check-in counter. Let's say it slowly. Check-in counter.
Check-in counter.
Good. Now, listeners, your turn. Say it with us. Check-in counter. Great job.
So, Riz, what can I say at the check-in counter?
Good question. You can say something simple like, "Hello, I'd like to check in, please." Let's repeat. I'd like to check in, please.
I'd like to check in, please.
Nice. And maybe you can add, "Here is my passport."
Oh, yes, that's useful. So together I can say, hello, I'd like to check in, please. Here is my passport.
Perfect.
What if they ask, do you have any bags to check in?
Good one. They often ask that. You can say, "Yes, one suitcase." Or, "No, just hand luggage." Let's practice, listeners. Repeat after us. Yes, one suitcase. No, just hand luggage.
Hand luggage means the small bag I carry with me, right?
Exactly. It's the bag you take on the plane.
Got it. And the big bag, the one that goes into the airplane's storage, that's called...
That's your checked baggage or checked luggage.
Okay, checked luggage.
Yes, you're doing great.
Riz, I always get nervous at the airport. There are so many steps. Check-in, security, boarding.
You're not alone. Many people feel the same. But don't worry. When you know the right English phrases, everything becomes easier.
That's true. So after check-in, we go to security?
Right. The security check.
That's where we take off our shoes sometimes.
Yes, sometimes shoes, belts, laptops, all in separate trays.
So what English do we need there?
Good question. You might hear someone say, "Please take your laptop out of the bag." Or, "Put your items on the belt." Let's say it slowly. Please take your laptop out of the bag.
Please take your laptop out of the bag.
Good. And now put your items on the belt.
Put your items on the belt.
Nice.
Oh, and sometimes they say, do you have any liquids?
Yes, good one. That means any water, shampoo, or perfume. You can say, "No, I don't." Or, "Yes, in a small bottle." Repeat after us. No, I don't. Yes, In a small bottle.
Okay, that's helpful. Now, after security, we go to the departure gate.
Departure gate. That's where we wait for the plane, right? Exactly. Departure means leaving. So the departure gate is the place your plane leaves from.
Got it. And sometimes we see screens that say, gate number 20 or gate closed.
Yes, that's important. If you see gate closed, it means, oh no, the plane is already boarding or maybe gone.
Oh no. So we should be early.
Yes, always early. And sometimes you hear an announcement like, flight number BA204 to London is now boarding at gate 15.
That's a mouthful. Let's repeat that slowly.
Sure. Flight number BA204 to London is now boarding at gate 15.
Flight number BA204 to London is now boarding at gate 15.
Perfect.
So boarding means getting on the plane.
Exactly. When the staff says boarding, it means it's time to go on to the plane.
Okay. Boarding, like getting on a bus but for a plane.
That's a great way to think of it.
Riz, can I tell you something funny?
Of course.
Last year, I was at the airport and I went to the wrong gate. I almost flew to Paris instead of Rome.
That's a classic mistake.
Yeah, my ticket said gate 7, but I went to gate 17. So close.
That's why it's important to listen carefully and check your boarding pass.
Boarding pass. That's the paper or the ticket on my phone that shows my flight, seat, and gate.
Exactly. So everyone, say it with us. Boarding pass. Riz and Zoe, together. Boarding pass. Nice. Always check your boarding pass before you sit down or go to a gate.
Okay, Riz. Now we're on the plane. What English do we need?
On the plane. Good question. You'll hear phrases like, please fasten your seatbelt, or would you like something to drink? Let's practice. Please fasten your seatbelt.
Please fasten your seatbelt.
Good. That means put your seatbelt on.
And would you like something to drink means the flight attendant is offering a drink?
Yes. You can answer, yes, please, water. Or, no, thank you. Let's say it together, listeners. Yes, please, water. No, thank you.
I always say yes, please.
Me too. Especially if it's juice or coffee.
Ooh, yes. Airplane coffee. Not always good, but still coffee.
Exactly.
Riz, what about when we arrive at the destination?
Yes, arrival. That's another airport word.
Arrival, like I arrive at the airport.
Perfect. When you land, you go to passport control or immigration.
That's where they check your passport?
Yes, the officer might ask, what is the purpose of your visit? Or, how long will you stay? Let's repeat. What is the purpose of your visit?
What is the purpose of your visit?
Good. And that means, why are you here? For vacation, business, study?
Okay, I'm here for vacation.
Perfect. Listeners, your turn. Say, I'm here for vacation.
And if I'm there for work?
Then say, I'm here for business.
Got it.
And if they ask, how long will you stay? You can say, for 2 weeks.
Or for 3 days. Repeat after us. For 2 weeks. For 3 days.
That's easy.
See? English at the airport isn't scary.
What's next after passport control?
Next is baggage claim, the place where you get your luggage back.
Oh, yes. I always wait forever there.
Yes, sometimes it feels like hours. You might hear, flight from London, baggage on belt number 5.
So, belt is the moving line with the bags?
Exactly. It moves round and round.
And if my bag is lost?
Oh no. Then you go to the lost and found desk.
Lost and found desk. Okay, that's useful.
You can say, excuse me, my bag didn't arrive. Or, I can't find my suitcase. Repeat after us, everyone. Excuse me, my bag didn't arrive. I can't find my suitcase.
I hope I never need that sentence.
Same here.
Riz, can we do a little quick practice for the listeners?
Great idea. Let's do a short airport role play.
Okay, I'm the traveler, you're the airport staff.
Perfect. Let's start.
Hello, I'd like to check in, please. Here is my passport.
Thank you. Do you have any bags to check in?
Yes, one suitcase.
Okay. Here is your boarding pass. Your gate number is 12.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Have a nice flight.
That was fun.
Listeners, now it's your turn. Try to say the traveler's lines out loud. Rewind if you need more time. Practice helps you sound more natural.
Riz, I think now I can travel anywhere.
Yes, you're ready for takeoff.
So today we learned so many new words like check-in counter, hand luggage, boarding pass, departure gate, fasten your seatbelt, passport control, baggage claim, lost and found.
Great job.
Wow, we covered a lot.
Yes, and remember, friends, learning English is like a journey, step by step, word by word.
A journey, just like traveling.
Exactly. So, before we land this episode, we have a few questions for you, dear listeners.
Yes, think about this. Have you ever been to an airport? What English phrases did you use?
Or, what's your dream destination? Where would you love to fly next?
We'd love to hear your answers in the comments.
Yes, please share them. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Riz English Channel to help more people learn English and join our friendly learning community.
Yes, support the channel and keep practicing your English every day. Even 5 minutes a day makes a big difference.
Exactly. You can listen to this episode again and practice speaking along with us.
And next time, maybe we can talk about English in hotels or restaurants.
Oh, yes, that sounds perfect. Travel English continues.
Yay!
Okay, everyone, thank you so much for listening. You did amazing.
Yes, you're all doing great. Keep going, keep smiling, and keep speaking English.
This is Riz,
And Zoe.
saying bye for now. See you in the next episode of Riz English Channel.